Welcome to the vibrant world of red tulips, flowers that not only capture the eye but also ignite the heart. Today, we explore why these blossoms are so much more than a simple splash of color. Red tulips, known as the flames of passion, are a symbol of deep love and affection. Each petal, rich in color, tells a story of emotion and connection. Historically, red tulips have held a prestigious place in cultures around the world. Once a symbol of wealth during the tulip mania, they have evolved to represent the essence of true love and heartfelt admiration. The vibrance of energy that red embodies is not urgency, and the strength of bonds that are as enduring as they are deep. From romantic gestures to gestures of respect and remembrance, red tulips grace countless occasions, making ordinary moments spectacular with their bold hues and profound symbolism. But what does it take to cultivate these flames of passion? It requires more than just soil, water, and sunlight. It requires a gardener's passion, mirroring the very essence of the tulips themselves. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over fields of red, we're reminded of the enduring power of love. Red tulips not only symbolize affection, they are a testament to the energy and power that love holds within. So the next time you see a red tulip, remember, it's more than just a flower. It's a flame of passion, burning brightly with love and affection. Embrace the message it carries, and perhaps share it with someone special. Thank you for joining us in celebrating the beauty of the Washington Tulip Festival. If you've enjoyed exploring the colorful world of tulips with us, please show your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more stunning visuals and updates from the festival. Your support helps us keep the beauty growing year after year. And for more ways to bring the splendor of the tulips into your own home, visit our website. Browse through our exclusive range of festival products, from apparel to artwork and everything in between. Your visits, likes, and subscriptions not only spread the joy of tulips, but also support the festival and local community. Join us in keeping the tradition alive.